A woman named Laura Moser.
Harry was right. This is it.
Does that name mean anything to you?
Should it?
It doesn't. Look, she died. But she left behind 2 little boys. And one of those little boys was you. Laura Moser is your biological mother.
Don't say the rest. Don't know it.
The other little boy, your brother, was named Brian. Brian Moser. The ice truck killer.
Hey, little brother. Miss me?